How to change your TikTok language. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your language on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you want to be able to change your language on TikTok, first what you need to do is open up the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Next, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Next, scroll down until you get to the option that says language. Tap on that one. Then next, you have a few different options: the app language, preferred languages, or translation language. So tap on the app language to select your default app language. And here you can choose whichever language you prefer to have your app language on TikTok. And that's all it takes to change your language on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.